Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Chatur Muhammad Erlangga. I am from Economic Education, majority of accounting. I am student from 2017. Today, I'm gonna present to you all about my thesis result. The title of my thesis is The Effect of Green Accounting Implementation and Corporate Social Responsibility Disclosure on Company Value through Profitability as a Mediation Variable. This thesis is focused to study of manufacturing sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2019. Without further ado, not wasting time, let's begin. This is chapter 1, Introduction. Company value. Company value is long-term goal of the company to get an appreciation of the price prevailing in the market, one of which is the stock instrument. So we can see company value from the stock that is shown on market stock exchange. To gain company value, profitability is the most factor that affect company value. Profitability is the ability of company to gain profit in the short term. If we can see profitability is short-term goal, then the company value is long-term goal. Why I can say profitability can increase company value? It is shown by the news that I already searched before. The news is from tribunnews.com. Jakarta, Monday, November 20 and 2020. PT Perusahaan Gas Negara (TBK) with PGN code share value are rise about 15.6% from Rp1.180 per share to Rp1.365 per share due to the strengthening of the selling price and the number of sales. So, if company can maximize its sales, it is indirect can increase the share of company, and it will means the company value will get increased. How to gain profitability or revenue? We need legitimacy and public trust in order to increase loyalty as a customer. So the company have to increase loyalty of customer through legitimacy and public trust of our product and service. There is two way I think we how we can obtain legitimacy and public trust. First is green accounting, and the second one is corporate social responsibility disclosure. What is green accounting? Green accounting is manifested in the management of B3 waste or dangerous toxic waste, renewable resource, environmentally friendly, and environmental conservation. To maintain the environment, company should give more appreciation through conservation and renewable resource to keep our environment safely. So that is how we can gain public trust. And the second one is corporate social responsibility disclosure is manifested by social responsible to workers, consumers, communities, and the surrounding environment. So, company have to take responsibility to worker, consumer, and the community or the environment. So, indirectly, it can increase the loyalty from the labor and from public. These two things will increase or help to maximize our profitability. Why I can say this? It is already supported by a few news. The first news is Indonesia is left behind at ESG sector. Indonesia ESG Index only ranked 36 out of 47 capital markets around the world. In fact, the implementation of ESG has a positive impact to the company performance. It is improved business performance and rise the share price of issuers, attract partner investor, expand the market, strengthen the company brands, add business networks, increase consumer loyalty, and open wider access to fund source. From this news, we already know there is so many positive impact that company can get, which is from ESG thing. So with so when we implemented ESG to the company, it is will make more opportunities can get come to the company. There is some company that already do this. One of which is Java. Java launched sustainability first linked bond in agri-food industrial and success get about $350 million, and it is predicted grain product will be attracted by the public in the future. This news is supportive enough to give us information how important green accounting and environmental friendly is. This is the second news to support about CSR. We know uh, human rights report implementation at public company Indonesia is still lower. A public company maintains its reputation by ensuring that its business activities are not only profitable but also ethical. One of which is by fulfill the human rights of employee and community affected by business activities. So, company have to fulfill or help uh, human right of employees and communities that surrounding the company that are affected by business activities. From this maintain, the company reputation will get higher and more better. We can see from some company that already implemented this program. One of which is from manufacturing company move in steel pipe. They are give about 598 million rupiah for the uh, funding to the student in Cilegon City, because CSR is considered one of the key attributes that determine reputation, and it is believed it can increase a good reputation for the company, so that with a good reputation, the loyalty and perception of consumer toward the company will be good. So from the background of problem and the news, I uh, make a main purpose and benefits for this research is main purpose. First one is to determine the relationship between application of accounting. Second, to determine the relationship between corporate social responsibility disclosure and profitability. Third, to find out direct relationship between the application of green accounting to corporate value. Four, to determine the direct relationship between corporate social responsibility disclosure on company value. And the last one, to determine the effect of profitability mediation on the relationship between the implementation of green accounting and corporate social responsibility disclosure with company value. And benefits of research. First, for providing tool for the company, especially in managing the benefit and cost of the social environment, which continues to develop in accordance with community demands and in accordance with environmental needs. Second, providing scientific contribution in accounting. namely making development in the according and management of social and environmental costs in company reporting standard. The last one as a reference source for further research related to environmental accounting management as well as material for further study. To get know more about variable in this thesis, it will tell at this second chapter, theoretical review. The first basic theory that I use to arrange this thesis is legitimacy theory. Legitimacy theory assumes company has to maintain its social function through filling social needs and providing company image in order to gain community trust. So this is what I say from the first. To maximize profitability of the company, we have to get legitimacy from the public or communities. Second theory, signaling theory. There is two researchers already tell about signaling theory. Signaling theory means the existence of good information or bad information will change to market participant. It is depend from the company. It is it is have to give a good news or give a bad news, and it will uh, emerging how the company will get affected by the news. If the good news, well, the perception of public will have a good image for to the company. If it bad news, then the public will have a bad perception to the company. And the third one is stakeholder theory. Stakeholder theory is strategic management concept. Its purpose to help corporation strengthen relationship with external group and develop competitive to get more advantage in the market. So to bring the competitiveness or advantage from the company, it is very important the company have to maintain good relationship with uh, external groups. This is the first variable green accounting. Green accounting, green accounting uh, is the form of prevention, reduction, or avoidance of the impact the environment that can cause threats and disaster the habitats of living things. So basically, green accounting put all benefit and costs that are used for the environment to the financial report to give more information to each reader and the one who need it. Green accounting concept is moved in four things. The first one is hazardous waste treatment, renewable resource, environmental conservation, and research and development, especially for friendly material, product, and for facilities. There are government already make some program to increase or improve how the company uh, have to giving more concern to the accounting green accounting. One of program is proper attempt to give assessment about environment performance of cost and benefit uh, finance from the company, and it is already about 2048 company already joined in this program. The next one is CSR. This is second variable. CSR is an action taken by companies as a form of their responsibility towards the social environment around the company. So CSR is the responsibility of the company. Company have to fulfill work needs of worker and external group around the company that is get affected by company business or company activities. CSR disclosure concept is divided into three categories. The first one economy, second one environment, and third one is social. There is so many points that company can fill the needs of each category to prove company already implemented CSR. Next is profitability. Profitability is the company abilities to generate some profit. Profit is often of a measure the company performance. So mm, basically, public can measure company performance through profitability because profitability assess the effectiveness of company management, its asset, and uh, its cost to get a profitability in the short term. The last one is company value. Company value are shown by movement of stock price from the behavior of supply and demand in the capital market based on the public assessment of the company performance. As I said before, profitability assess company performance. Company performance will be assess company value. So, to gain company value, the company have to maintain its company performance. Company value will be shown based on stock price in the market exchange. From this thing, I make a hypothesis. The first one is green accounting effect and profitability effect by green accounting. Second one is profitability effect by CSRT. The third one is company value effect by profitability. The fourth hypothesis is company value effect by green accounting, and the last one profitability can mediate effect of green accounting and corporate social responsibility disclosure to company value. To tell you how methodology of this research, it will tell in this chapter. The operationalization of variables will be measured. Uh, it will tell in this section. To measure green accounting, I use GRI, GRI and proper, because GRI and proper is the international standard to measure informal rental rating and certification. For CSR disclosure, I use the same way. It is used GRI G4 because it is been recognized by companies in the world for precise calculation in measuring disclosure. For profitability, I use ROE, return on equity, because ROE show how the company maximize or use the asset and uh, and fund from the company effectively. And the company value, it is shown by Tobinski ratio. It is show how the public capitalize its company from the market price. Population and sample. This research population is about 200 companies engaged in the manufacturing industry listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange 2019. The affordable population is taken as many 100 companies that have met certain criteria. Jadi certain criteria I have to make sure the company linearity with my purpose of this research. First is company are manufacturing listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange or IDX in 2019. Second, manufacturing companies that attach financial report in 2019. Third, manufacturing companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange are participating in proper activities in 2019. And the last one is manufacturing companies that publish their sustainability report in 2019. To get effective sample, I use the Isaac and Michael formula. To formula Isaac and Michael formula, I use with a 5% degrees of freedom. The formula show in this section. From the formula, I found about 70 companies are fail or effective as a sample in this research. Data collection procedure. Type of data, I use secondary data from result of company annual report, decree of Minister of Environment and Forestry for proper 2019. Data source I get from Indonesia Stock Exchange website, company website, and Ministry of Environment and Forestry website. Type of research. This research used in this is quantitative research. So the data analysis is quantitative or statistical to test the truth of hypothesis through the results of statistical data analysis. The tool used in this research is a software program, FUSTAN, because of the suitability of statistical and econometric data processing with various time series, cross-section, and panel data. Data analysis technique. I use two types. First is descriptive analysis, verification analysis. Verification analysis is divided into three sections. First is regression test, hypothesis testing, and coefficient of determination are two. Why I'm not using normality test? Because my data type is not all use ratio type. It is mixed with the ordinal or nominal type. I found the result of my data first. Green accounting application. Mean is more than standard deviation. It means the variation of my data is low and deviation is low. Same as GSRD, the mean also bigger than standard deviation. It means variation data is low and deviation is low. Multiple linear regression analysis. This is variable x1 and variable x2 affect to profitability as a mediation variable. It is show if green accounting and GSRD have a significant and giving effect to profitability. It is show from the probability is less than 0.05. It means the company who implemented and not implemented green accounting and CSR will giving effect to profitability of the company. The second one is profitability as a mediation variable giving effect to company value. It is also show that profitability giving effect and significant effect to firm value. It is shown by probability is less than 0.05. And the last one is green accounting and CSRD giving effect to company value. It is also show that these two variable giving effect and significant to firm value. To avoid multicollinearity of variable x, I use correlation coefficient. It is show if r square value is not significant between x1 and x2 because the value is less than 80%, especially 0.51764. So the regression model generated by influence of x1 and x2 doesn't cause bias. This is path analysis. Path analysis I use to measure if profitability as a mediation work or not. This is the result of its effect from regression result before. It is show how strong it's a variable giving effect to another variable. Variable 1 against variable y. Calculation show if indirect regression value less than indirect indirect effect regression is less than direct regression value of variable x1 to y. It means profitability cannot mediate relationship between x1 and y. Same as variable x2. X2 show the same result. The indirect effect is low than the direct effect. It means profitability is not strong enough to mediation relationship between corporate social responsibility disclosure on firm value. So, hypothesis of mediation is declined and not improved yet in this thesis result. Conclusion. The application of green accounting is able to increase profitability because it can provide a positive image of the product or service for both the environment and social environment. On the other hand, if it is not implemented, it will reduce the selling power of the product so that the profit will decrease. Second, corporate social responsibility disclosure is able to increase profitability because it can provide a positive image and sentiment to the surrounding community, so that a sense of trust in the company products or service will reach the community. On the other hand, if it is not implemented, it will reduce the selling power of the product so that profit will get decreased. Third, profitability can increase the value of the company in the stock exchange market because investors are very confident and believe that the capital to be paid into the company will bring high return and dividends. On the other hand, if profits are low, investor interest will decrease so that the company value will follow. Fourth, the application of green accounting as an effort to implement green accounting will indirectly increase the value of company because it can provide a positive image and sense of trust towards stakeholders for the sustainability of the company in the future. 5. Corporate social responsibility disclosure as disclosure of shares and information will increase company value because it can provide a positive image and sense of trust towards stakeholders for the company contribution to the environment and social surroundings. 6. Profitability has not been able to mediate between the effect of application green accounting on firm value, meaning that the application of green accounting is maximally implemented to provide a sense of trust in the product in order to support firm value. So there is not strong factor to mediate the relationship between green accounting and firm value. The last one, profitability has not able to mediate between the influence of corporate social responsibility disclosure on company value. meaning that corporate social responsibility disclosure is implemented optimally to provide a sense of trust in product in order to support company value. So that is not included as in a strong factor to mediate the relationship between corporate social responsibility disclosure and the value of the company. I think that's all the result of my thesis. I'm sorry if my my telling is that talk. I hope you understand. You can search my research and you can read it by yourself. So it will clearly to make you more understand what my test results show us. Thank you for attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.